Welcome to Physics Department. Physics Department is located at the extreme end of the academic complex. In left hand side, we have faculty offices, and in right hand side, we have physics laboratories. This is physics office. You can meet head of the department physics in this office. The prime rule of the head of an academic department is to provide academic leadership. At present, Professor Subhradeep Ghosh has been taking the responsibility of head, Department of Physics. Let's meet him in his HOD's office.
Hello everyone, I am Subhradeep, current head Physics Department, IIT Guwahati. First, let me congratulate you all for making the right choice by choosing Engineering Physics program over here. This program is kind of unique and not available in many places in India. But in here, you will get the right mix of science and technology knowledge and would get ample scope of following your passion and even expanding the horizon. I wish we could meet in person now. Nevertheless, we can hold it off for a few months till this pandemic goes away or its intensity is much lessened. Over here, meanwhile, we are taking all possible steps to make you feel comfortable with learning in online mode. So take care you all, and do not miss the department orientation on 13th of November at 6 p.m. Please follow the special undergraduate website that is being set up in the physics department website, where you'll get all possible information. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
In physics office, you will find Mrs. Leonie Chaudhary, office superintendent, and Mr. Himanku Datta, junior office assistant, for your official work. Both Leonie and Himanku will help you along with Mr. Amboris in all official work. In first semester, BTech students need to take two courses in physics. One theory course called PH 101 and other practical course called PH 110. The course coordinator of PH 101 theory course is Professor A. Perumal. Other course instructors are Dr. Kanhaiya Pandey, Professor B.R. Borua, and Dr. Pankaj Mishra. You will have your class here in this kind of lecture halls. Let's meet all the course instructors of PH 101.
Okay, hello, this is Perumal. So I'll overall coordinate the PH 101 course, but I will take the second part of 101. So we will meet you on 16th November.
Dr. Kanhaiya Pandey.
Hi, I'm Kanhaiya Pandey. I'm going to take first part of classical mechanics, PH 101.
Professor B.R. Borua.
Hi, I am Basanta Ranjan Borua. I will take the relativity part of PH 101. So see you in January.
Dr. Pankaj Mishra.
Hi, I am Pankaj Mishra. I will take fourth part of PH 101, quantum mechanics. So see you at the end of January.
We have one department undergraduate program committee called DUPC in short. This committee oversees the conduct of all undergraduate courses of the department and recommends the all syllabus of all undergraduate course offered by the department from time to time. Let's meet Secretary of Departmental Undergraduate Program Committee, Dr. Sayan Chakraborty. Here is Dr. Sayan Chakraborty.
Hello. Hi students. So I am the DUPC secretary. Officially I welcome you to the department although because of this pandemic we cannot physically welcome you, but let us do this thing online, and then as and when you will come to the campus, we will definitely meet face to face and we will share things. Now, as for your knowledge, let me tell you that any academic related issues, anything that you face, you should actually directly talk to me. You can talk to me, you can email me, and there will be few faculty advisors also allotted to each of you that we will share on 13th of this month when the orientation program happens. So let us meet again on 13th November. Thank you.
The BTech student representative of DUPC are Mr. Tapan Moyuk and Mr. Gorango Ramakant Kane.
So, hi guys, this is how actually everyone is going to see each other for the next few months. So, this is Gavrang and I'm from 2018 to 2022 Engineering Physics batch. I congratulate you all for getting into IITG and welcome to the physics community of IITG. Hope to meet you soon. Bye.
Let's move to our physics laboratory, where you have to perform PH 110 laboratory classes. Professor S.B. Santra is the course coordinator of PH 110. Other course instructors are Professor Subhradeep Ghosh, Professor Bipul Bhuiya, Dr. Uday Narayan Maiti, and Dr. Shobhan Chakraborty. This is physics lab. This is dark room where you will perform the optics experiment. In lab, you will be helped by technical staffs, Mr. Rupam Kolita, Midhu Pavan Patwari, Atul Deka, Aditya Kolita, Mr. Prasenjit De, Radha Narjari, Lokesh Chakraborty, Meenakshi Chutia. Hope you all enjoy a good time during your BTech program in physics department. Our best wishes are always with you. Let's meet the course coordinator, Professor S.B. Santra of PH 110 course.
Hello, this is Professor Santra from Physics Department. First, I congratulate you and welcome you to the Physics Department. I will be your PH 110 Physics Laboratory course coordinator. And in this lab, actually, there are simple experiments to demonstrate some laws of physics. And you do some hand-on experiment to learn the laws of physics through experiments. But this time, this will be online mode, so you will not have opportunities to do the experiments directly, but an online demonstration of the experiments will be given to you, and you will have opportunity to analyze the data, analysis and understanding of the physics laws by experimental data. Thank you.